Hi everyone, my name is Amy Westridge. The purpose of this presentation is to educate male and females between the ages of 18 and 60 about how technology has changed the way corporate America conducts business on a daily basis. Smartphone and WebEx technology is taking over the corporate world, and both generations need to be prepared for this. Everyone knows how the business world works and what needs to be done. In order to get where you want to be in life, you have to be willing to adapt and change to other people's ways. The BlackBerry is causing many changes in the corporate world. It is less expensive than a laptop, which is why many companies are switching to them. The use of laptops fell 45% when Goldman Sachs gave employees BlackBerries instead of using laptops. These smartphones are doing much more than they used to. BlackBerry has already begun to evolve from singly function to malfunction phones. Multifunction phones. They are small, efficient, and allow constant and immediate internet access. The success of the mobile internet market is due to its ability to integrate with the web. The BlackBerry's power lies in its ability to push email automatically from the company's server to the end user. This simple concept has revolutionized corporate life. When companies want the ability to send or reply email in real time using a wireless device, with the BlackBerry, this is not only possible but simple because all you have to do, you do not need to dial in or initiate connection. This is great for when you are traveling or out of range of wireless service. When away from the office, constraints are often unpredictable, so you never want to be left in a situation where you cannot contact or respond to a client or employee. The aim of mobile working allows staff to access a range of systems and services without the restrictions of the wire. People who travel long distances and need to be away from the office tend to check their email via phone. WebEx technology is also becoming very popular in the business world. It makes distance between companies and employees go significantly smaller and cuts down the cost significantly for traveling for companies. Companies want to increase corporate communications and speed up workflow through online meetings now have the opportunity to do so with this technology. WebEx is specifically designed to transmit video call inside a web page and allow conference participants to ask questions and comment on your presentation being made. I'm now going to show you a YouTube clip on how to use and what WebEx is all about.
Now, as you can see on the chart on page 23, cells 6 and 7.
Which page are we looking at? Where are the page numbers?
Are you with me there, Charlie?
What page are you on? Where are the page numbers?
There is an easier way. Web-based meetings can simplify your presentations and keep your clients more engaged. Want to know who has joined the meeting? In real time, you'll know who is present and who's missing. When you're ready, share your desktop and you're ready to go. If you're using a PowerPoint presentation, put it in presentation mode and others will see your animation.
I was starting to worry about you, Charlie.
But not since I started sharing ideas on WebEx, huh?
Need to keep some screens private? You can have attendees see only specific applications or documents.
I can share applications. I can share presentations. Pretty cool, huh?
With Cisco WebEx meetings, everyone can view the same file, eliminating confusion, streamlining.
Businesses all over the world are being affected by the recession. CEOs and CFOs must find a balance between the cost and benefit of travel. Air travel can be an area of expense businesses can reduce. Web conferencing seems to be the answer to many of these companies, and they are starting to become more cost efficient. We are seeing some businesses that have mandates to cut down travel 35%, yet they still have to communicate and collaborate, so they do this by web conferencing. There has been a strong demand for web conferencing because the executives want to save money, but also increase productivity throughout their company. By bringing relevant training and communication on at a moment's notice. Businesses have been at the forefront of technology for ages. Technology affects almost every aspect of our lives and completely consumes us. As communication and information begin to travel faster and the world becomes smaller, which changes the way one conducts business. Barriers of distance begin to disappear. BlackBerries and WebEx technology provide instant communication. With these forms of communication in the palms of our hands, it is very easy for one to get caught up in the moment and forget proper rules of etiquette. The lines between professional and private lives are often blurred. Being constantly connected with people people have become so obsessed with the way they work they do not know how to separate the two. The advancements in communication and information technology has changed the face and pace of business today. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed my presentation.